Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a high-quality source and matching it to your screen. Pick 1920x 1080 or whatever your monitor runs so the animation stays crisp. Once chosen, decide between a video loop, WebM, animated PNG, or an engine-compatible package so playback is smooth. Make sure your GPU drivers are updated and power settings allow continuous rendering. This prevents frame drops. Finally, set aside about 10% free disk for cache and thumbnails so the Wallpaper app can index quickly. Now import the asset into your chosen app, Wallpaper Engine, ComWhereby, or Rainmeter with a plugin. Once imported, optimize the file. Convert to WebMH, 265 or VP9 to save space and keep quality. Use 30 to 60 frames per second, depending on how much motion the clip has. Faster motion benefits from higher FPS. Enable hardware acceleration in the app so decoding happens on the GPU. And set precise loop points and trims to eliminate stutter and wasted CPU. Finish by applying the wallpaper and testing it across any multi-monitor or virtual desktop setups you use. Adjust scale and position from the app so key animation areas aren't cropped, and only enable audio if you want continuous sound and your OS allows it. If you run into stutter or choppy playback, first lower the FPS or switch codecs, then disable overlays and background recording software. Once done, update GPU drivers and close heavy background apps to restore smooth animation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.